What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Grande Cosmetics YouTube page. My name is Sarah. Today we're gonna do a quick fall get ready with me. I'm gonna be sharing a few Grande products with you that you're going to absolutely love and shades that I especially love to use in the fall. If you are looking for a product to help hydrate and plump your lips, you are not gonna wanna miss this one, so let's jump right in. Okay, so I'm currently wearing a little bit of a tinted moisturizer, concealer, and bronzer. Next, I'm gonna go on with my Grande Glow and my Grande Pop. It gives my face a little bit of color, a little bit of highlight, and it's honestly that step in the makeup process that just like brings everything to the next level. My two favorite shades are Tiramisu and Mauvesicle. I really love Tiramisu for the fall, and Mauvesicle is probably just like my all-time favorite shade. See how that just adds so much life to the face? It's so easy to use, just blend in with your finger. I just think it's so pretty. Then I like to use French Pearl as my highlight, so I'll just do a little bit on the tip of my nose, Cupid's bow, and then I like to hit right up on the tops of the cheeks just to give my cheeks a little bit more of a lift. I will also do under my brow bone. And then again, you can just blend this right in with your fingers. Next up is lashes. I go on with my Grande Primer and Grande Mascara. I didn't do any eyeshadow today because honestly, when I'm just running out the door, I usually just will do a little bit of bronzer on my lid. I don't really go in with like a full eyeshadow look. And this really just opens up the eye, really finishes off a look for your eyes in the best way. Okay, the last and most important step in my opinion is lips. I personally feel like if you don't have anything on your lips, you just look a little unfinished. The lip really finishes off the look and pulls everything together. I'm going to be using Grande Lips today. This is a hydrating lip plumper, and you guys would not believe, you will not believe how plump this makes my lips look. It's honestly unbelievable. I have three gorgeous shades here. This is Barely There. It is not a peach nude, it is not a pink nude, it is really a true nude, and I absolutely love this one. This is Dusty Taro. It's more of like a mauve with a purple undertone. It's so gorgeous. It's really, really neutral, so it's gonna look good on a lot of different skin tones. And the shade I'm gonna use today is Spicy Mauve. Personally, I think this is the best fall shade. It's so, so good with my coloring and my skin tone. So I'm just gonna pump it up and bring it up through the tube and then start applying. And as you can see, it's such a good shade match for my lips. It's almost like the true shade of my lips, which is so perfect, especially for a plumping product because it's really just gonna look like my natural lips enhanced. Also, since this has hyaluronic acid in it, it makes it really great to wear under your mask because our lips are getting so dried out, so much more dried out from wearing our masks, and especially this time of year. So it takes 3 to 5 minutes for this to really start to activate, but you can start to feel it tingling. That's how you know it's working. And personally, this side of my mouth is a little bit thinner than the other side, so I like to do a little bit more product on the right side to help even things out. This also comes in a clear gloss, which is what I would 100% recommend if you are gonna wear it under a mask. That way things aren't getting too messy, but your lips are gonna be super hydrated and plump. So it has been a couple minutes now, and just take a look at how full, hydrated, and plump my lips are looking. I honestly cannot believe how quickly this product works. So the cool thing about Grande Lips is it can really be skincare for your lips. You can use the clear gloss as skincare at night and really see the benefits over time. And then in the morning or during the day, you can switch over to the colored shades and wear it as your makeup. This applicator is also really sanitary because it's silicone, so it's gonna prevent bacteria growth. You can easily wipe it clean, and you don't have to worry about anything like that. So I wanna tell you a little bit about the complexes that are in this product that make it work so well. The first complex is called Volulip. It enhances the lip's own natural hyaluronic acid synthesis for fuller, more hydrated looking lips. It can also support the production of collagen, which of course we want for plumper looking lips. And then elastin fibers that help with any fine lines on the lips. Then there's Antyl Collagen, a water form of collagen, which works as a hydrating agent to hold in the moisture. Then there is a B vitamin that actually dilates the blood vessels and promotes blood flow. It gives your lips a natural looking flush, and and enhances the natural color. Lastly, there is hyaluronic acid. Most of you probably already know this, but hyaluronic acid is a substance that is naturally found in the body. It has the ability to hold 1,000 times its weight in water, which is why it is so good for hydrating and plumping. So I like to use my color treatment during the day, especially Spicy Mauve. This is by far my favorite shade. And then my clear treatment at night. And this is just gonna give me those long-term and immediate benefits. So that is it for my fall get ready with me. I'm going to head out the door, probably see a little New England foliage. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out Grande Lips if you have not already, and I will see you in the next one.